So what's up guys, it's me, I don't know physics. For today's video we're going to talk about Greek letter. Greek alphabet consists of 24 letters from alpha to omega. So let me pronounce it. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, si, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, p, chi, psi, omega. So you can clearly see in this screen we have the uppercase and lowercase of the Greek letters. So if I zoom it here, you can see here the sigma has three. So it is called the final sigma, this one. So okay. So this is the Dirac equation. Yes. You can see the Greek letters in some of the equation because Greek alphabet consists one of the big roles helping scientists and people to like make an equation and find new things. So this is the Dirac equation. So you can see it has some of the Greek alphabet. So this is the standard model Lagrangian and the Euler one in math. So what is Greek alphabet? The history of the Greek alphabet is rich and influential, tracing back thousands of years and impacting numerous writing systems and scholarly fields. Here is an overview of its development. Phoenician influence. The Greek alphabet originated around the 8th century BCE and was adapted from the Phoenician alphabet. The Phoenicians were a Semitic people whose script had a significant influence on the Greek writing system. Unlike the Phoenician alphabet, which had only consonants, the Greek introduced vowels, making their script more versatile and efficient for writing. Early variants. There were several early variants of the Greek alphabet known as epichloric alphabets, each used in different city-states. This local variation included differences in the number of letters and their forms. By the 5th century BCE, the Ionian variant from the region of Ionia, modern-day Turkey, became the standard. Classical period. During the classical period, 5th to 4th century BCE, the Greek alphabet was firmly established. It included 24 letters, 17 consonants, and 7 vowels. The script was used not only for writing literature but also for inscriptions, coinage, and everyday communication. Structure and adaptation. Letters and sounds. The Greek alphabet consisted of uppercase letters. Lowercase forms were developed later during the Hellenistic period, 323 to 31 BCE. This is what the Greek letter writing look like. So I think they write it on the clay or tablet. So this is the Phoenician one. Yeah, they look like the same. So now I'm going to tell you about the meaning of the Greek letter used in math, physics, and chemistry. So we have alpha, angular displacement, beta, angle in trigonometry, and high energy speed electrons and positrons in physics, gamma, a form of electromagnetic radiation or gamma ray. So delta is change, epsilon is a dielectric constant within a capacitor. So zeta is an impedance, particularly in an RLC circuit. So an RLC circuit is the circuit having resistor, the R, insulator, the L, and capacitor, the C. So we have now eta, linear predictor of a generalized linear model, and the quantity that describe a fluid resistant flow. So theta, angular displacement. Iota, the imaginary part, is defined with the help of I. Kappa, the coupling coefficient in magnetostatics, and the lowercase is used to represent the curvature of a curve. So kappa is that. Now lambda is wavelength. Mu is micrometer or micrograms. Nu, frequency dealing with waves and degrees of freedom in statistics. So C, the lowercase c represents the original Riemann C function, the damping ratio and the extent of a chemical reaction in an electric circuit that has a capacitor connected in series with a resistor and a power source. So Omicron, mega in the SI units, pi, you know it, 3.14159. So here at Rho, we have resistivity in the electricity and density in fluid mechanics. So sigma, lowercase is angle and the uppercase is the summation. Tau, time constant of RC circuit. RC circuit is the circuit having resistor and capacitor. Upsilon, any of a family of heavy, short-lived neutral mesons that are composed of a bottom quark and its anti-quark and a labiodental approximant. So we have now the P, magnetic flux and golden ratio equivalent to 1.618033988749895. G, denotes electric or magnetic susceptibility and data analysis on the basis of observations of a random set of variables. PC, a wave function is a mathematical description of a quantum state of a particle as a function of momentum, time, position, and spin. Now, in the last one, omega, angular velocity and a notation to denote the limit of a function. So if you want to learn more about the Greek alphabet, you can just search in the Wikipedia and Britannica. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe.